Díomh chuirde agus tá fáilte over ascadí scéalta le hAoife, Tásúla gon ghfuil gachtain go maith agus gúil sibh ré le scélín nua eile. So an scéala bhés á léomh agan inniu is ceann anspéisialta dumsa é, léigh me sé éonar bhí mé an óg agus tá sé faoi méle, tá sé scríofa a méle, so usclaigh bhar glúsa béle. Open up your English ears and it's time to read a book that I used to read when I was young and it's very special to me. So this book we're reading today is called The Owl and the Pussycat. This is a lovely book. The words are by Edward Lear, and in this version the pictures are drawn for us by Ian Beck. So let's see. Oh, straight away we have a map, so we know there's going to be a journey in this book. Look at the lovely pictures already. The Owl and the Pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea-green boat. They took some honey and plenty of money, wrapped up in a 5-pound note. The owl looked up to the stars above and sang to a small guitar. "Oh, lovely pussy, oh pussy, my love, what a beautiful pussy you are, you are, you are. What a beautiful pussy you are." Pussy said to the owl, "You elegant fowl, how charmingly sweet you sing. Oh, let us be married, too long we have tarried, but what shall we do for a ring?" They sailed away for a year and a day to the land where the bong tree grows. And there in a wood a piggywig stood, with a ring at the end of his nose, his nose, his nose, with a ring at the end of his nose. "Dear pig, are you willing to sell for 1 shilling? Your ring," said the piggy, "I will." So they took it away and were married next day by the turkey who lives on the hill. They dined on mince and slices of quince, which they ate with a runcible spoon. And hand in hand, on the edge of the sand, they danced by the light of the moon, the moon, the moon. They danced by the light of the moon. And there's the map. Oh my goodness. That's a lovely, a very special book for me. I'm so happy we got to read that today together. I hope you enjoyed the book about the owl and the pussycat and their lovely adventure. Now, dúna gí bhar glúsa béarla freisin, dúna gí bhar glúsa béarla, tá muid críochna inis, tá súla gon gur bhain sibh taithne bhas sin na chuirde agus feice me sibh an chéadú eile. Slán inis!